Everybody online talks about Facebook ads, YouTube ads, sometimes even Twitter ads. I wish they talked about Twitter ads more, honestly. They don't talk about Twitter ads enough. But how do you generate leads without ads? What if you don't want to spend money on Facebook ads or TikTok ads or anything for that matter? What if you want to generate leads for free or cheap? That's what I want to talk about in today's video, how to do lead generation without ads. Stick around because this is the easiest, best, and fastest way to generate leads quick. Before I jump into that, make sure if you haven't subscribed yet to subscribe down below and like this video to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Let's go. I am known around these parts as the cold email king. I've written the book on cold email along with my business partner, Robert Indresh. We wrote the Cold Email Manifesto. Now, I wrote this book about cold email because it's superior in almost every way to paid ads. Let's talk about that. Paid ads. You have to invest a lot of money up front for an untargeted approach. And you might end up spending a lot of money per lead, sometimes as much as $300, $400 a meeting. And if you're using Google ads, you might even pay 15, 20 bucks a click, or even LinkedIn ads are also very expensive. So very hard to deal with. Now, cold email, on the other hand, is targeted, meaning you just make a list of prospects that would buy from you and you pitch them on your service. Every lead costs the exact same amount. I don't care if you're generating a lead for a CEO or a lead for a junior salesperson, they're both going to cost the same amount. You can't say that about advertising. And lead generation via cold email is very cheap comparatively to ads. I'm talking about 50 cents a lead or $1.20 for a lead with a custom first line sent directly to your target audience. There's no comparison. You're comparing $15 clicks to 50-cent leads. It doesn't make any sense to use advertising for B2B marketing. Now, we do use ads for our online courses and things with wider nets, but if you're going like we do for our B2B sales processes, targeting specific people, then cold email is the way to go about it. If you don't know, a cold email is writing a message to someone who has never heard of you and pitching your service to them. Finding a qualified stranger and sending them a customized, personalized email. And the team brought up this beautiful tweet that I tweeted. This has to be from 2020. I don't even know when I tweeted this. You would invest 3 to 6K per month in a salesperson and expect at least 3 months before a close. FB/Google ads are the same thing as hiring a salesperson, except they will never quit. So the approach should be similar. 3 to 6K per month, expecting 0 results while learning the channel. Notice the budgets that we're talking about here when I talk about advertising. $3,000, $6,000. These are the amounts that you're investing into getting an advertising campaign off the ground. And I know because we run several profitable advertising campaigns for a few of our different product lines. And every time, if we're not willing to invest $3,000, it never works. If you invest $300 in ads, you'll give up because you won't get any sales. Or if you invest even $1,500, $2,000, sometimes it takes a long time to sell something. And so you're going to give up on the channel. And I was even saying here, 3 to 6K per month, expecting 0 results for at least 3 months. You have to be willing to spend that kind of money to make your advertising work. $9,000 to $18,000. Do you have that kind of money? New businesses often don't. And so cold email is better for them. What's also cool is with cold email, you can directly target the right qualified person. But with ads, you never know who your ad is being shown to. You don't know if it's shown to some random guy in Argentina or the CEO of Mitsubishi. It's all the same targeting. It's all the same person, especially if you're using broad targeting on Facebook ads. Impossible to tell. It's like spearfishing. There's 2 ways to go about it. Let's say you wanted to catch a specific fish. You're out there, you're sitting on the boat. Right? You're sitting on the boat, you're looking at your fish. Now, do you throw the net in the water and catch every single fish that you can, hoping that you catch the one fish you want? Or do you go spearfishing? Grab that one spear, take aim, and get the one fish you want. That's the difference between cold email and advertising. Advertising is very expensive because you're covering everything just to grab this one little fish that may or may not be there. Versus the spearfishing cold email, you go and you get that one fish that you need. That one delicious salmon that you're looking for. And you can eat that, have a nice dinner with your family, eat that salmon. That's the prize, the cold email prize. With ads, you can customize your targeting as much as you want, but nothing comes close to making your own list and then reaching out to them with customized messages for each prospect. And it works in a ton of different industries. So if you're somebody who's in any of these industries, you can be benefited by cold email. I'm talking social media marketing, video production, app development agencies, website development agencies, digital agencies, lead generation companies like we run at X27. These are all well suited to cold email. Anybody that sells to other businesses can be benefited by this. You can actually book your whole calendar with meetings by using this strategy. Imagine having so many sales meetings that you have to hire a sales team in order to deal with it. That's what you get with cold email done right. And if you want to learn how to cold email, then check out Email 10K. It's our course in our community that shows you step by step how to do this for your business. You can get that at email10k.com. And as you go through your cold email marketing, you're going to need a good quality lead source in order to generate these leads. Because a major part of your cold email marketing depends on the quality of your leads. You want those targeted contacts that are verified, that aren't going to bounce. And the best way to get those is on LeadShark. If you go over to leadshark.com, you can get 25 free leads, or if you click the link down below, you can get that special YouTube offer, 200 leads for $9. So go on over to LeadShark, check out those leads, get to it. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.